another day. Today I'm going a little late. It's about to be 7 right now. We got some work here we're gonna do in town. It's a light day, it's Friday. We're gonna go ahead and I got some work to do at the shop. We're gonna clean the shop. I got a small porch that we're gonna tear down that was damaged by the hurricane, and we're scheduled to rebuild it here in a couple weeks here, but for now we're gonna take it down because it's kind of just a hazard there. And we got a mountain of screen from all the jobs we've been doing out of town in Fort Myers that we gotta load up on the trailer, see if we can go get rid of it. So we're gonna hang around the shop, see if I clean my truck a little bit, and just start getting ready for next week. So yeah, it should be an easy light day compared to most of our days. So I'm on my way to the shop right now. Right over here at the shop. It's cold. We got this mountain right here. Huh? We got a mountain of screen right here. ¿Eh? Sí, no, pero hay que echar aquí y llenarlo más. This is from all the jobs we've been doing out for Myers, so we got to get all this, put it on here, and go start dumping some trash. Loaded up. Loaded up.
¿Ya lo toró? Sí, pero por fuera la toré, porque por dentro no
So got that one to dump. Amárralo acá, Renato. ¿Tu carro? ¿Cuál? Alright, we're going to the next job. We're going to go take down a little porch. Alright, we're here at the spot. We got this porch, 20 by 13. It was damaged by the hurricane. Actually, this whole thing flipped like that, boom, and the people put it back down. And they told me another wind came recently and flipped it back, and they flipped it back down. So we're gonna come take it off for them because we're waiting on the roof pans to get here. And we're gonna build it brand new, starting from here, that way. This got to go into the concrete. We gotta cut holes, go into the concrete, put beam back here, post. But for now, we're just gonna tear it down, get it prepped until we get the material. That's what we're gonna do. Ponlos a cargar. Ponle una o dos pilas que carguen. Wow, look what they put up here to hold it down. They put these little concrete bricks. One there. Just to hold it down, man. We're gonna help them out and take this out so they at least don't have to worry about this flipping on them again. Te baja la cubeta esa también para echar los tornillos. ¿Eh? Como que no tienen allá adentro, allá al lado de la puerta, ni afuera ya. We're gonna most likely need this. I need a cut. Oh, like something gotta get cut. Little crowbar one. Well, we got the big joker right there, so we're good for now. This big monster, I don't think we're gonna use it. Fíjate, a ver. Let's see, get a bit. Where are the bits? Where are the bits? De 10, que sea vieja.
Pues yo encontré una, pero no sé si está.
A ver. No, ese no es para conectar. Mira, aquí está uno ya. Lo puedes poner ahí, esa es una extensión. Si quieres, métela ahí para que... yo creo que con esa tenemos. We'll go.
Se le cae, ¿verdad?
¿Eh? No, no se le cae, mira. No, es que no jala muy bien. Oh, sí, sí.
Ya está bien así, ¿no?
Yeah, no, it's no good. No good. Nomás signo como quieran, no. Ahí tenía otra extensión nueva. Está en una de las bolsas, pero no creo que lo necesites.
Igual también en la máquina. Parece como una que conozco.
What the hell?
No por esta.
Oh man. ¿O será el bit? No es el bit? Let me try my
Otra.
bit. That's weird. Alright, we got it. Time to rock and roll. Alright. Got this much tore down already. We got it tore down. We're gonna trim that back a little bit because it'll be a couple weeks before we're back. So we're gonna just trim that a little bit. I don't want the wood to get wet. And I'm gonna leave this post here for now. Now I'm gonna leave that post there for now because it's holding up this roof pan for me right here. We're gonna crush all this, load it up, take it back with us. Right now I gotta take off this header right here. This header has a million screws. It's nasty. I'm gonna take all that out because I'm gonna put a new header here. That's what we got going on.
¿Está bien?
Así está bien, nomás montones de ahí, acomodaditos para llevarlo. This is why the roof came off, because they had just a little 2-inch screws. Little 2-inch screws holding the porch. No good. And on top of that, there's no beam back here with no post down here. So this was the only thing grabbing here. Grabbing a porch. That doesn't even pass inspection right there. Alright, we're gonna leave it like this for now. Give it about a couple weeks. Hopefully we get the material. And you'll see us building a brand new porch right here. From here that way. Right now we're gonna pick all this up. Go dump it at the shop. And jump to the next job. Alright, we cleaned up our mess. I used the broom because I didn't want to use a blower because there's screws all over the place. I need to pick up all the screws, start blowing them, and they're going to land on the grass there. When they cut the grass, they're going to have little screw bullets. Vamos a darle una caminada que no haya tornillos nomás. Más acá. Pero también allá un poquito. Make sure there's no screws left because we don't want them coming with the car here. Mira, necesitamos el martillo para pegarle a estos. We gotta hit those down with the hammer. Look under here because sometimes the screws will roll far away. I don't want any screws. I think I found one. I don't see none no more. I think we got them all. Getting those down. No me da ni un tornillo ahí, ¿verdad? Ya. Alright, I think we're good. We'll be back another time. Time to go check on this screen job, potential screen job we might have. Just popped up right now. I'm gonna go look at it. If it's worth doing, we'll knock it out real quick. Then we'll go back to the shop. Espérate, dame ahorita. Okay. Ajá, ahí está. Esa cubeta, tíramela para acá, no sé que se caiga ahí. That's good. Déjalo. ¿La vas a amarrar ahí? All right. Hey Raymond, I'm gonna go look at now, see what that's about, and so if you want to meet me there. All right, thank you. Bye. I went to check out. I had a couple of jobs to check out. I went to check them both out. There are 2 pool cages. One of them is partially rescreened. One I got to do the whole rescreen here in Clewiston. I didn't get a chance to film anything after that. My battery died, and I didn't have any on hand, and we just kind of, you know, I didn't get to film anything for you guys. But it's the end of the day. It's Friday. Weekend's here. Tomorrow we don't have nothing. I got some plans with the family. We're gonna go out and I'm gonna enjoy some time with my daughters and wife. And subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see on these videos. Tell me, let me know what's going on. Let me know the interesting parts, the not so interesting parts. Let me know what you want to see more of. And subscribe if I didn't say that already. All right. Thank you so much. And if you need some work done, you know the number. Give me a call. Till next time.